Is it getting better? Or do you feel the same? Will it make it easier on you now? You got someone to blame. You said one love, one life, when it's one need in the night. One love, we get to share it. Leaves you, baby, if you don't care. Did I disappoint you? Or leave a bad taste in your mouth? You act like you never had love, and you want me to go without. Well, it's too late tonight to drag the past out into the light. We're one, but we're not the same. We get to carry each other, carry each other. Whoa. Have you come here for forgiveness? Have you come to raise the dead? Have you come here to play Jesus to the lepers in your head? Did I ask too much, more than a lot? You gave me nothing, now it's all I got. We're one, but we're not the same. Well, we hurt each other, then we're doing it again. You say love is a temple, love a higher love. Love is a temple, love the higher love. You asked me to enter, well then you make me crawl, and I can't be holding on to what you got, when all you got is hurt. One love, one blood, one life. You got to do what you should. One life with each other, sisters, brothers. One life, but we're not the same. We get to carry each other, carry each other. All bells and fine. Okay. There's a misty streets of blue. I'm in love that children learn. Some silken moment goes on forever, and when
mystify me.
What happens is we played it.
Mystify me.
I need perfection, some twisted selection that tangles me to keep me alive in all that exists. When none has your beauty, I see your face, and I will survive. Mystify me. Mystify me. Eternally wild with the power to make every moment come alive. All those stars that shine upon you, where to kiss you every night. All veils and misty streets are blue. Almond looks that chill divine. Some silken moment goes on forever. And we're leaving, yeah, we're leaving broken hearts behind. You mystify me. Mystify, you mystify me. You're eternally wild with the power to make every moment come alive. All those stars that shine upon you, well, they kiss you every night. Mystify, you mystify me. Mystify me. Mystify, you mystify me. Mystify.
Well, it's great apart from the ending.
All of my life I asked what I have to try to get out of the darkness into the light. The world is a mess. Money eats a plague, eats our soul and leaves us alone. I wanna know, somebody has to know, where we do go from here. The world is a mess, ego it's a waste, steals our soul and leaves us alone. see you again. Love, she said. Love, she said. Love, it's the answer, but you never would see me again. But I never will see you again. Love, she said. Love, she said. Love, it's the answer, but I never will see you again. Love is the answer, but maybe I see you again.
She's taking her time making up the reasons to justify all the hurt inside. Guess she knows from the smiles and the look in their eyes. Everyone's got a theory about the bitter one. They're saying mama never loved her much and daddy never keeps in touch. That's why she shies away from human affection. But somewhere in a private place, she packs a bag for outer space. And now she's waiting for the right kind of pilot to come. And she'll say to me, she's saying, I will fly her to the moon and back if you'll be my baby. Got a ticket for a world where we belong. So would you be my baby? She can remember a time when she felt needed. If love was red, then she was colorblind. All her friends, well, they've been tried for treason and crimes that were never defined. She's saying, but love is like a barren place, and reaching out for human faith it's like a journey I just don't have a map for. So, baby, gonna take a dive and push ship to overdrive and send a signal that she's hanging all the hopes on the stars. What a pleasant dream. Just saying, I will fly her to the moon and back if you'll be my baby. Got a ticket for a world where we belong. So would you be my baby? Touch. That's why she shies away from human affection. But somewhere in a private place, she packs a bag for outer space. And now she's waiting for the right kind of pilot to come.